As continuation, the last lecture, we will continue in case of nutritive value of fruits and vegetables. As the vitamins have the functions in the human body, have different functions, and what happen, they have deficient in human body. In case of fat soluble proteins, they are vitamin A, D, E, and K, and in case of water soluble vitamins, they are vitamin B complex and C. In case of vitamin A, essential for proper vision, healthy skin, and for healthy urinary tract, reduces susceptibility of infections. Means vitamin A have capacity to as the susceptible in reducing the infections. Then food rich in beta carotene may reduce the risk of lung cancer. So vitamin A is also been helpful in reducing the cancer diseases. And when it have deficiency, when that particular vitamin A have deficiency, that causes night blindness and keratomalcia. Keratomalcia, it is the disease regarding the eyes. Then vitamin D, having essential for healthy bones, helps in the calcium absorption, vitamin D. And in case of when it have a deficiency in the human body, mainly in the children's, rickets disease, and in case of in adults it is osteomalcia, when the deficiency of calcium and degradation of bones, when vitamin D is less in the body, at that time there may be chances of degeneration of bones. In case of vitamin E, in case of vitamin E, it possesses antioxidant property, reduces risk of degenerative diseases, prevention of oxidation of lipids, and maintain cell integrity. If there may be the deficiency of vitamin E, there may be enhanced fragility of red blood cells, increased urinary infection, and creatine. So that are the causes. In case of vitamin K, it is an anti-hemorrhagic vitamin. Brain, in case of brain, it is necessary for clotting of bloods, necessary for liver functioning. In case of vitamin B complex, it includes thiamine, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, vitamin B complex, folic acid, biotin, inositol. It is the sources of vitamin B complex. Inositol acts as coenzyme and therefore essential for the metabolism and proper utilization of energy for the carbohydrates of fats. Again, deficiency occurs in case of vitamin B complex. It involves there are diseases causing. In case of vitamin C, required vitamin C is required for collagen synthesis, for bone and teeth calcification, helps in the absorption of dietary iron, aids in the prevention of and treatment of common cold, vitamin C, strength to the blood vessels, and major antioxidant component, that particular vitamin C. In case of the minerals, these are minerals: calcium, phosphorus, iron, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. These are the important minerals. They have also some nutritive value, some maximum nutritive value in case of calcium for bone strengthening, phosphorus, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc, immunity boosters. In case of calcium, it formation skeleton of teeth, contraction muscles, functioning of heart and nervous system. Phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth. Components of nucleic acid, it is an important component. Phosphorus, it is a backbone of DNA, phosphorus, phosphoric acid, है ना. So these are the important constituent. In case of iron, essential for formation of hemoglobin and RBCs and transport of oxygen, necessary for various oxidation and reduction in the body. Potassium, it required for the osmotic balance and to keep cells in a shape. For that reason, potassium is essential. Then afterwards, magnesium, it requires cellular metabolism and present in the bones along with calcium. Next, the nutritive value of bioactive components. The bioactive components are the phytochemicals that we are know. In case of the plants, they have a number of bioactive chemicals or components synthesizing, and they are been major role in the health maintenance in humans, and they have antioxidant property, major antioxidant components. In case of, you take the example of tomato, lycopene, it is the best antioxidant compound. Rutin, in case of different foods, flavonoids. So major phytochemicals are carotenoids, lycopene, lutein, zeaxanthin, polyphenolics, flavonoids, flavones, anthocyanins, glucose inolate, then thiosulfides, dietary fiber, and miscellaneous. So these are the important major phytochemicals that are synthesized by plant, and they are been helpful in the as a nutritive and in the defense mechanism of the infectious diseases. So see, in case of nutritive value of a raw potato, a potato of 100 gram with peel consists how much amount of nutrition. In case of energy, carbohydrate, starch, fiber, fat, protein, vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Source, the USDA National Nutrient Database. So it requires 70 kilocalorie energy. Nutrient value, as you know, there are number of vitamins or nutritive value in case of a single raw potato. What is the health benefit of potato? In case of potato, it is a wholesome food and a person won't be hungry at all for some hours after eating potatoes. It contains carbohydrates, energy source, easy digestion, easy digestion, helpful in the diarrhea. In case of energy production, potato stored as a glycogen in muscle and liver and functions as a readily available energy during the prolonged strenuous exercise. So after the exercise, that's why it is important part of the player's diet, that particular potato, because they have a prolonged strenuous exercise the players have, so they have a very good source of energy and nutrition. What are the health benefits of potato? Potato are rich of source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, copper, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Potatoes help to improve resistant heart attack and stroke. It raises the glucose level in the blood, and over intake may cause the obesity, and hence it is not recommended for diabetic people. In case of food, the vegetables we had taken the example. In case of fruit, the fruit have nutritive value. Mango, as you know, it is the king of fruit, mango. That's why the mango has been taken for example, king of fruits. The energy, carbohydrate, fiber, as like the parameters are been taken. The nutritive value, as you know, in case of carbohydrate, 17 gram nutritive value, fibers 1.8 gram, fat 0.27 gram, fats 0.51, vitamins 765, vitamin A, vitamin C 27.7 milligram, calcium 10, iron 0.13, magnesium 9, and potassium. See the maximum percentage of potassium macronutrient have the nutritive value, है ना. So very much helpful as a part of why the mango has the benefit. What are the benefits, health benefits of mango? Mango considers mango to be the blood builder and good for anemia due to its high iron content. Then it is to be good for alleviating menstrual cycles and muscle cramps. The fruit has a high potassium and magnesium content, so it may be helpful in case of female menstrual problems and in the muscular cramps for all, and it is high in potassium and magnesium content. What are the health benefits of mango? So mango has a papain like enzyme that is good for digestion and purifies the intestine. Mango juice and also been proven to kill certain viruses in case of immunity system. It has also good fiber, beta carotene, vitamin C, B1, vitamin B1, B2, B3, zinc, and calcium. It is also been effective in cooking as a meat tenderizer and flavor enhancer. So mango is been used for flavor enhancer. So in case of, I think so, this much is sufficient in case of fruits and the nutritive value of fruits and vegetables. Thank you very much.